Hello, friends. Today, we're here in the room where I'm going to install my home automation control board. In a previous video, which you can find linked in the description and also in the top right corner, I introduced this new control board. As you can see, there's an old switchboard outlet already installed here. In this video, I'll demonstrate how I'll install my new home automation control board in this outlet, transforming it into a smart control center. Once installed, all the electrical appliances available in this room can be controlled through this automation board. The control can be initiated using physical switches, an IR remote, the ESP Rainmaker app, or by using voice commands through Alexa. Stay tuned as we set up and explore the exciting possibilities this automation board will bring to this room. Don't forget to check out the linked video for more details on the control board. Let's get started. Now that the board is open, you can see I have labeled all the wires. This will make it very easy to identify all the cables once we open all the connections of the switches. Here is how I connected everything as per the circuit diagram shown. For more details, you can refer to my previous video linked in the description. I explained how I connected all the switches with control wires, the regulator, and connected all the power cables with the home automation control board. Now, I am going to secure everything and place this board in its position, fixing all these screws. The installation part is now complete, and we are ready for the demonstration. Here, you can see the mobile app ESP Rainmaker. Let's start the app. The app is now open, and you can see that switch 2 is on, turning the light bulb on. We can turn on other appliances, such as the tube light. Now, let's turn on the fan. You can see the fan speed is very low, so we can increase the fan speed. The fan is working fine. To operate the switches, we can use Alexa as well. For example, you can see the TV, and we'll turn it on using Alexa. Alexa, turn on the TV. The TV is now powered on. We can try other commands like, Alexa, turn on fan 2. You can see that fan 2 is also starting. Additionally, we can use this IR remote to operate the appliances and the physical switches to turn them on and off. Everything is working perfectly. If you're interested in getting your hands on this board, feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to assist you. Don't forget to show your support by liking this video, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more tech insights and exciting demos. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.